What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Veed IO for free. So just want to head over to the website veed.io, and once you're here guys, you will see that you can get started for free. And guess what? It says no credit card required. So you just want to simply click and get started for free or start for free, and you can easily create an account with your Gmail account. And as you can see right here, it's going to give you a pop-up and say that you can sign in with your Gmail account, Apple, you can set Microsoft account, and you can even use your work email. So whichever option you choose. Now for the purpose here, I'm going to simply choose Gmail account, and I'm going to sign in with a Gmail email right here. So I'm going to just simply click and continue right here, and you can see that I'm inside Veed.io. Now from here, you can just simply go ahead and click and continue. It's going to ask you to create a team. You can simply collaborate as well. Click and continue. You can add an email address here. So I'm going to just go ahead and add an email address here and just simply click and continue. And as you can see, it's inviting someone here. You can see, just say it's personal. You can, select whatever option you want, demo product, whatever. Just choose whatever you want to use it for. So you can say educate on a particular project, grow your audience, whatever it might be. You can choose it, then click on the option here too. Here, just basically asking how often does your team create a video. You can say, whatever, just go through the process guys, and you can just select a few things. It's pretty annoying, but you just need to go through the process, and once it's done, you're done, right? You can just maybe later. Now here you can see here guys that you have the free account. You can just simply go ahead and go back to Veed. So what you want to do from here, just simply type in Veed.io. It will take you back to your account. You can just simply see that you're at your dashboard, and it will just redirect you right back to your dashboard that you can just start using Veed for free. Now here you can see that you're of your free account and everything is working fine. Now here you can see that they offer a ton of different things that you can do here. It's unbelievable the amount of things that you can do here. You have AI, text to video, you can create an avatar for yourself, you can do slides to video, you can create clips, you can do AI dubbing, you can do so much things guys. You have templates here, you have your space, and on top of that you have different sections. These are edits that you can easily go ahead and do various things here. So you can basically do quite a lot with here. You can do quite a lot, and there also have some templates that you can just create templates and so forth. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just do a quick example here for you of how you can use it. So let's say you want to generate subtitles. You can choose under the AI edits, you have generate subtitles. You can click on that, and here you just want to ensure that you upload your video. So I'm going to choose a video, for example. Let me just find something here that I'm currently working on, and let's just choose, for example, this video here, right? Go ahead and open. You will see that it uploads the video, and once it uploads the video, you'll be able to generate subtitles for your video. So the uploading process is very quick. As you can see, it's over 70% already, and once that is done, you will be able to choose the language that has been spoken in the video. So if it's English, it's English, and you can add translation if you so desire. Then click on auto subtitle, and it's going to start to generate the subtitle for the video. That generation is also pretty fast as well. So as you can see, it's almost 30%. It's already done. Keep in mind that if you want to have the maximum use of this tool, then you want to go ahead and upgrade, right? So here on the left hand side, you can see the subtitles that has been generated. You can make changes to whatever. So if this one say Marv, I can go ahead and I can click there, and I can just, whatever it might be, I can just say Morph, because that's what I meant. You can change this to whatever you want. You can adjust it. Basically do it, and once you're done guys, you just simply go ahead and click on done, and you will be able to export your video. As you can see here, you can export your video. You can burn those subtitles under the video as well. You can even get whatever you want. You can even download the subtitle file for the video as well if you want as well. So there's so much things that you can do guys. If you want to learn more about Veed.io guys, let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to show you how to use it. And thank you guys for watching. Give this video a like, and see you in the next video.